Is Cardano in jeopardy? Well, let's talk about it as the bulls with the ADA look to break out of a huge selling pressure within the market where we've seen a weekly triangle start to accumulate. We're going to get into this article from the Crypto Basic. I'll show you guys what's happening with Cardano right here, right now. But before we do, I want to tell you guys, make sure you all subscribe right now down below. We do talk Cardano every single day on the channel. So if you want to stay up to date with what's going on with everything ADA, this is a perfect time for you guys to subscribe. We do talk a lot of crypto as well, not just ADA. So like I said, make sure you guys all subscribe and please smash that like button, okay? But before we get into this, let's dive into the crypto bubbles. I want to show and share what the market is doing. We're kind of bouncing back and forth. We were completely green, and now we have some cryptos that are down into the red. And as it stands for ADA, this is what we want to share with you. Okay, you can see right here, right now, 10th still in market cap at 33.9. We are down 1% now into the red, but it's been a very strong rebound, 11.1% on the week, despite being 19% down into the red over the last month. But we still are holding on to this yearly recovery where we were up 16.2%. I know we hit kind of that local high, 74 cents, and we'd love to get back there. Trust me, I would love to get back to 74 cents just as much as you guys, but it has been a bumpy ride. But I want to share with you guys these numbers that lie within the Cardano bulls if we are going to get a recovery, okay? And that's kind of where we look into it. We've seen this little intraday shift. Now we're into the red, but it's kind of being very volatile right now. I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about this candle that's forming, but it is something where at 34 cents roughly how we look at the next step for Cardano. And all of this is pure speculation. Nobody has a crypto crystal ball, so make sure you guys all do your own research and due diligence. When we do talk crypto here on the channel, this is not financial advice. But when we have this bull cycle kind of on the heels and it's not really coming to fruition, Cardano right now is looking to retest another support level, right? We fell to 27 cents where I was telling you guys this is a very strong accumulation zone if you do believe in the longer term prospects. But that's kind of where we've retested back over the 30 cents, formed a bullish candle and looking to break out. But there's a lot of things that come into mind. We have seen a crossover with a lot of the MACD as well as the signal lines, but we have still failed within the RSI to really break out of that bullish divergence. However, it is still there. The RSI is very bullish, and that's what we look to continue if we want to see this uptrend, okay? But will it actually happen? That's kind of the big question here. That's what I came here to share with you. But we are in kind of this broader market recovery phase. It's a very critical juncture. The recovery is kind of faced on stuff that's kind of, in a lack of better words, outside of their control. All right, so if we are going to get a breakout, this is something where we want to see the bullish momentum continue. And if we can run, I think this is where we could see Cardano get back up to about 45 cents. That would be kind of where I look for ADA to get back to. We share with you guys a lot what goes on within the trading view, and I will pull that up for you guys before I leave. I want to share with you kind of the chart and how I view it, right? So this is the trading view. It has my trading indicator incorporated into it. And like I said, where we're at right now at these levels, we are continuing this downtrend, but this is the range that I like to see. All right, I'd love to see Cardano get back 42 to 51 cents. I think it's comfortable there. The second kind of tier of this range is around 41 cents to about 38 cents. So I think this is step one, and then this would be step two. Obviously, if we were going to start a more bullish consolidation pattern, but we need to get back above 40 cents to have those discussions. So that's kind of my update for the day. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm headed out to ETH Toronto. I don't actually think it's called ETH Toronto. It's called the Futurist Conference, but I do believe there's going to be a lot of ETH kind of heads there. I think Hoskinson will be speaking, possibly scheduled. I think Vitalik is not going to be there. I'm not sure on that, but very interested to hear what Hoskinson has to say when he goes basically live in front of the audience. So if he is there, I think he is scheduled. But I want to give you guys a quick update. So we will have a lot of content from that conference. I'm going to go live and give you guys some videos in person so you guys get a view of what's going on. But I appreciate you guys watching as always. Make sure you guys all check out the links down below. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.